She and Marcia Griffiths setting a better trend. Hey. Na 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 oh, oh, oh. Na 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 oh, oh. Some say the girls take a little longer to see the wonders of Jehovah, but I know if it wasn't for the sisters, a lot of brothers would have faltered. Some say girls believe in material things, fancy clothes and chains and things. I know if we were not humble, a lot of brothers would stumble. So take a look, look. It wasn't written in a book.